Hello and welcome back to our channel. Did you have an issue with your plumbing somewhere behind the drywall? Have you needed access to fix a pipe? You're at the right place. I'm going to show you how to, one, fix and patch that hole, and two, add in an access panel like this one so you don't have to cut a hole in the wall again. So make sure you subscribe if this is good content and you think you'll learn something. Hit that notification bell. That helps us help you. So click on the link above if you're looking to learn how to patch some drywall, because there'll be a video there. It's not made yet, but it'll be there. So let's get to it here and let me gather up my tools and we can learn how to put in an access panel that looks nice, smooth, and finished. So like I said, click on the link above and I will show you how to fix some drywall. But before we do that, we got to decide what size hole, what size access panel do I want to use. So we got a hole here that's about 21 inches long. I could get a big hole I could get a big panel like that, but I don't really need access to that over there. I actually made the hole there because I was looking for this joint, and the wall on the other side where the shower is, there's a step in the wall, so I thought the hole was going to be right here. So that's the reason we put that there. So I'm going to fill that in probably. So let's go from the stud over. So I need an access door. It's 11 by 14. So what I decided to use is this one. That door will fit in there perfect like that because I don't want to repair any more than I need to. And what I'm going to do is make it this way further because I want to put a shut-off valve here. Because right now, if I need to work on this in the future, I need to shut the whole house down, and I don't necessarily want to do that. So I'm going to put a shut-off valve there. I'm going to do a video on that. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on that one. So this panel came from Lowe's, pretty inexpensive. I think it might have been 20 bucks or so. Okay, as I shared before, we're about ready to put this panel back up here, and it measures 14 by 14. So I'm going to cut this out so this fits in here. And basically, you can see it's 14 from here to here. We can make the hole just a little bit bigger. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and mark out 14 inches. Okay, now I got this all measured out, and my minimum hole needs to be 14 inches, but I can be up as big as 16 inches, so I made it just a little bit wider so I don't have any trouble fitting this in there. And then I got myself one of these little saws, and you can use anything you have laying around. You can even use a utility knife, something similar to this, whatever you might have laying around. So I'll go ahead and cut this out. So we got the hole trimmed out. So I'll go ahead and take this plastic off of here and dry it out, see if it fits in there. It fits in there just nice. One thing I did notice is this wood here, the drywall's not as thick as the depth of this. So what I'll do is I might trim some of this off to get it so it fits flat. It sticks up just a little bit. Okay, now I got this edge trimmed off here a little bit because these studs in here. So now just use any type of caulking, it doesn't matter. I got the Ultraflex in there because that's what I use to do trim and stuff. But put some bead of caulk the whole way around here. You can do it thicker. Some caulk on here. What this will do is it'll hold it in place. Put it up on here. Push it up against. So now that we have this trim put in, how this works is it slides, there's a little lip right here, a little clip, and it slides in, and then you slide it to the side, we'll lock it in place so it stays in. Like that. So now that's how easy it is. It only just takes a couple minutes. It takes longer to cut the hole out than it does actually putting it in there. So now what we're going to do is I'll go ahead and paint this all, and it'll be beautiful. Next time, whenever I need to get to the shower, I can just take a little screwdriver or something, maybe my fingernail, open this up and shut the water off, and don't have to run to the main shut off for the whole house. So if you've seen this video content helpful, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're interested in me putting in the shut off valves in there, because that'll be the next video. Until the next time, have a great one.